Hello, in this video, we will learn how to lock chats in WhatsApp using the new feature. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the WhatsApp application. Enter the chat you want to lock. After that, click here. Scroll down a bit. Here, you will find the account lock option. Activate it. If you don't see the lock option, you need to update your WhatsApp. Here, you will be asked to add your fingerprint or PIN code, depending on what your phone supports. Now, let's go back to the home page. As you can see, Chat Lock has been added here. Click on it. You will be asked to enter your PIN or use your fingerprint. Here, you will find all the chats you have locked. Now, I'm going to unlock this chat. Deactivate it and add your fingerprint or PIN code. Go back. Here, it tells you that there are no locked chats. I hope you liked the content of the video. Finally, please support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.